Hey, welcome friends to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and I'm doing an album share with you guys today. I done a album out of the Auburn Lane from Pink Paisley, and then I used a sticker collection that went with the collection, and beautiful paper. Very nice paper to work with too. Very nice. Okay, this is the album right here that I created, and I believe it's 5 by 7, and it has an inch spine, and there's the back of it. Okay, and this album has 4 pages in it, and this album is using my floating folio hinge in it. Okay. This is something I developed, last fall, and I'm just now getting it out there to you guys. I will be teaching you guys how to make this, but I want to do a little quick album share on this cute little album. And it's perfect. I didn't even count how many pictures you can put in this, but you can use your 6x6 paper pads. You know, you'd have to do a little bit of piecing in, but for the most part, you can use your 6x6 paper pads to do this. You just might have to do just a little bit of a piecing in. This is a bonus project that was for my kit club, so they received this as a bonus project. It's anything that when I do my kit clubs, any of the paper that's left over from the collection, I come up with a bonus project that they can use some of their scraps up with. So let's dive in. This album turned out so cute, ladies. So cute. So I just put the design paper and put a couple of pieces. I like to use up my little pieces of scrap. So this opens up. And then this opens up this way. And this has 4 pages. And it, like I said, it is using my floating folio hinge. And these pages attach to the hinge. Okay. And then you open this up and you have a pull out here. So each page has a pull out. And then you have a belly band here with 2 photo mats. And then I just added a sticker from the collection. Grateful people are happy people. And then I just kind of pieced this in here. So that flips. Okay. And then this flips open. And then this flips open. Pretty cute little album. Really cute album, ladies. And again, another photo mat that pulls out. Another, just like this one here. And then this opens up. That opens up. And then again, another pull out here. And then you have a belly band here with 2 photo mats. I love that. Smile often, laugh loudly, dream big, give thanks. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. And then this flips open. Ah, can't even open it. But it flips with my floating folio hinge. It flips just like an album, ladies. Just like an album. And I will be doing a video on how to construct this. So be keeping an eye out for that. I will be showing you ladies how to make this. So you'll be able to turn any album into a folio album, okay? But that is my bonus project that we done for our kit club. I wanted to do just a real quick album share on it to show you guys. Because I think it's darling. If you guys happen to have any questions, please post them in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel, and that way you never miss out on projects that I upload or things that I come up with. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and we will talk to you guys later. Keep scrapping. Bye-bye.